Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Energi token. Now Energi is spelled with an I instead of a Y. Ticker symbol for this token is NRG. Interesting, and they're getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. December 18th, this brand new listing will occur. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account, it's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Energi token. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 18th at 14 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you would have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol, which is NRG. And then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a web page you could go to, which is energi.world. And as always, like anywhere through their page, you will see that Energi is spelled with an I and not a Y. So make sure you have the right URL there. So energi.world. Over there, you could find a 26-page white paper that's going to have tons of information on it. They have some socials as well. So they have a Twitter. You can follow at Energi. I'm going to put that up right here. They have a Telegram at Energi Crypto. So Energi has an advanced governance DAO, allowing asset protection and asset recovery. With no successful theft for 3 years now, we're focused on providing a DeFi and NFT structure. Now, this token here is actually a coin. It runs on its own blockchain here. Their Explorer you can find at explorer.energi.network. Average block time, it says, is 1 minute. Total transactions so far, over 34.7 million. Over 1.9 million total blocks, and they have over 106,000 wallet addresses so far. So check out their block explorer, explorer.energi.network. So yes, technically it's a coin. A lot of these blockchain, a lot of these coins have very extensive white papers compared to, like, say, a meme token would. So, like, keep in mind their white paper is going to be very extensive, 26 pages of very tiny print. On their webpage, you can find Get Energi, so that's a way you can click on that to try to get the token. I mean, Mexc Global is most likely an easier way if you don't want to download all these wallets and everything. They have the Energi Explorer, Energi Swap, Energi Bridge, Energi Nexus, GMI Marketplace. They have a learning section that is Energi for Investors, Energi Team, Guides and Docs, White Paper, Energi Defense, Impact, Education, News, and a Why Energy section. They have a community section that has Join Our Team, Join the Conversation, or a merch store if you want to buy some merch. Then they have Ecosystem and Developers section. There's an airdrop. It says Join the GMI airdrop. The safest blockchain for everyone and for users. Security is #1. Virtually no theft for 3 years and counting. So they're pretty pumped about that. Energi has thwarted all major theft attempts by scammers and hackers on our blockchain since 2020. Energi is the safest blockchain in the world, featuring innovative safety protocols that have been intelligently designed to prevent a wide range of cybercrime with our blockchain ecosystem. 95% plus cybercrime activities have been stopped or prevented by our defense in-depth protocols combined with assistance from the Energy Bureau of Investigations, the EBI. $1.1 million plus worth of users' crypto assets have been spared from theft or recovered by our EBI. So they have a whole section where you can learn about the EBI. It says About Energy Defense. You can click on that. The right foundations. Founded on 4 key pillars, Energi was built by merging the best aspects of other blockchains while introducing our own key components. Energi is the only blockchain that has this unique combination of core features, which includes EVM compatibility, on-chain governance, dual-layer architecture, and incorporating a self-funding treasury, all built into the blockchain protocol level. So they have EVM-compatible smart contracts, so Energi is compatible with the Ethereum-based decentralized applications. Developers are encouraged to use Energi as a live testnet before launching apps on Ethereum so they can benefit from Energi's security. They have on-chain governance, providing unparalleled blockchain security through defense in-depth protocols. Energi has positioned itself as the leading blockchain in the world when it comes to user and business safety and security. Energi has not had a successful theft in 3 years, which is something no other blockchains or major blockchains can boast about. Dual layer architecture. By having both a layer 1 and layer 2 built in, Energi is well designed to transcend the blockchain trilemma and excel in all 3 core avenues: decentralization, security, and scalability. And self-funding treasury. Energi was bootstrapped with an ICO or pre-mine that has a healthy self-funding treasury model which fuels Energi's ecosystem growth and development. So Energi's capabilities are unmatched. Energi is a true hidden gem when it comes to enormous real-world utility and benefits from both users and developers. They compare it to Ethereum, Polygon, Binance, Avalanche, Solana, and Cardano. And you could read about their Energi Swap if you like. So Energi Swap benefits directly from the speed and scalability of the Energi blockchain, as well as Energi's dedicated cybersecurity and support terms. And then they have a very extensive roadmap. Like I said, a lot of these blockchains have super huge information sections. They have newsletters and articles that you could read as well. Tons of socials. You can subscribe to a newsletter. There's an insane amount of links at the bottom of their webpage, energi.world. So go check that out. If you want to read their 26-page white paper, you could do that too. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this coin here? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.